Well, today's session was about leadership. Basically, we cover the fundamentals of leadership because it could be a 10 sessions course. This is an introduction. So we cover the idea of what is a leader as someone who develops or creates a free adhesion of others and influence in a free way the behavior of other people. And once we understand that, then we move to the area of why do we follow leaders. We trust leaders because we will make ourselves vulnerable in front of them, this is to be a leader. Making yourself vulnerable in front of others, that's building trust, because we believe that person has good intentions and is caring about our good and the good of the entire project and the company.